Previous classes in part 1 and part 2, we have discussed units and dimensions. In part 2, we have discussed up to SI units of fundamental quantities, derived quantities and supplementary quantities. SI. And today we are going to discuss about rules for writing units in SI. Whenever we are writing the units, we have to follow some rules and regulations. For example, in the first point is, whenever you are going to write rules, fundamental symbols of rules, you should write them as, if you write as a SI unit of length, if you want to write out SI unit of length, SI unit of fundamental quantity, if you write as a capital letter, wrong. If you write as a small letter, is correct. This is the first rule. What is the first rule? In SI unit of fundamental units, we must write in small letter, not like as a capital letter. If our second one is composite or supplement, if you write as a kg second inverse, compound units. If you want to write down the compound units of fundamental units, we must write down as kg second inverse, not like this. We must write down as kg second inverse. This is the second rule. What is the second rule? Whenever if you want to write compound SI units of fundamental quantity, we should write down as kg second inverse. And come to the third one is while honor of the scientists, some of the units we kept as the scientist names. If for example, if you want to write the scientist names, Newton. If you want to write down the order of the scientist names, we need to start with the initial letters. We need to start with the small letters. Initial letters and all letters we should write as small. We didn't write as a capital. We didn't write as a capital. If you write as a small letter, then only it is correct. And next, if you write as a single letter, if you want to write down the SI unit as a single letter, we should write as a capital letter, not with the small letters. So these are the rules. What is the first rule? Whenever if you want to write SI unit of fundamental units, we need to write as a small letter is M. And if you want to write compound fundamental units, kg second inverse is the correct. If you write kg second inverse, wrong. Well, honor of the scientists, some of the unit got as the scientist names. So Newton and Newton. So whenever you want to write full names, Newton is small letters we should write. That is only correct. If you want to write the symbols of scientist names as single letter, the initial letter must be capital. Yes. And after the unit, we didn't write as a plural. We should write as a single form only. We didn't write as a plural. We should write as a single form only. And last but not least, after the unit, we didn't keep as a full stop or comma. We didn't keep as a full stop or commas after the units. So these are all the units for writing dimension. You writing units in SI. Next, let me go for dimension. So one of the most important topic is dimension. Dimensional formulas, dimensional equations. First of all, what is the dimension? Dimension is nothing but the nature of a physical quantity. The nature of a physical quantity we can call as a dimension. For example, if you write as a length, what is the dimensional formula? Dimensional formula we should write always. Dimensional formula is to be always write in the form of square bracket. In between the square bracket only we should write. So sometimes we have to